Remove the adjustable handle from the side of the breaker. Do this by removing the locking nut and bolt, pull apart the O-ring and slide it away from the breaker. Adjust the trolley so it is in its lowest position. Remove the nuts from the body clamp and pull it away from the top half. You may have to push the bolts from the other side. Pull away the clip from the handle clamp and remove the bottom half. Mount the breaker into the trolley, making sure that the ridge where the handle was situated sits into the body clamp on the trolley. The handle should fit flush against the top half of the handle clamp. Replace the top half of the body clamp, making sure the nuts are firmly tightened using an adjustable spanner. Replace the bottom half of the handle clamp and secure in place with the clip. Bring the trolley up to its highest position and lay on the floor, ready to install the smasher head. Push the smasher head into the breaker, it should automatically lock in. Adjust the height of the trolley where needed. To power the breaker, slide the power button to the left. If you need to boost the power, press the high drive button on the right. To remove the smasher head, simply push up on the chuck collar and pull the smasher head out of the machine.